I don't. Yeah, that one way to open the box. And what we got here? What we got? I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna give you a clue. Now, here you go. Now we'll open it. Let's see what in here. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but whoa. Hey! Not my mom. It is one. Now we got something. And we got the phone cover. Oh my god! Why is everything falling down? Now let's do whatever. Should we put, wait, Daddy? I'll open this and put the cover on and see. It's gonna be good. Whoa! We're gonna take it out. Do it out. Do it out, guys.
Yes.
Now, it's a black phone from Google.